She used to drive my family nuts all the time doing that, exactly that. And when she first got on the wheel and I started training her to it, my sister, who's home all day, noticed that she is much calmer. She would actually have bathroom problems where she would get bored and she'd start peeing all over the house. But that's decreased since she's gotten the wheel. She doesn't get to be outside, she doesn't get to do the hunting, but with this she gets to flex her muscles.
Hi, I'm Sean Farley. I'm the chief designer and inventor of the One Fast Cat Exercise wheel. We wanted an inexpensive wheel, we wanted it lightweight, and we wanted it to snap together with no tools. We wanted the customer to be able to assemble this within 10 minutes. We wanted it to be sort of like a piece of art. It could be put into somebody's living room. It's not going to be an eyesore. Problems with cat wheels that are out there now is they are large and they're very expensive to ship. That was one of our main focuses, is to get it down to a price point where any cat owner can afford it.